cluster today has been. Finally got cutting. And put a bearing in that side of that combine. Left side. Chopper on the back. That combine, right chopper on the front. That pickup over there is stuck. Got the little 6430. Pull it out tonight. After a while. Got that IH truck spotted. It is November. Gosh, I don't even know what day it is. Might snow again. Out of focus. It has been a journey this time, today, yesterday, day before that, the whole year. Let's just get it over with. Goodness, my lands. Ground's wet, people are pushing mud, it might snow again tomorrow, so typical. It's pretty out this evening. Yeah. Still a lot of beans out there and across the creek. Ain't been no fun this time. Good luck to all of you. Oh gosh, they think they got to put every little bit on it till it's absolutely full. You really don't have to do that. Good gosh. Just because we say to fill it, don't mean you really got to completely fill it. 90% we'd call it good. Yeah. Oh well. 2 more days, have her done, boys.